Welcome to the Transfer Voucher Online video tutorials in the MITFIN General Ledger module. In this course, you'll learn the complete process of handling a transfer voucher online, from entry and validation to confirmation and posting. First, in this video tutorial, we'll guide you step by step on how to enter a transfer voucher online, also known as TV Online. Please note, this process is to be performed by the clerk or ledger clerk. Let's get started. From the main menu, move your mouse to the left panel. Now, double-click on General Ledger. Then, double-click on Transactions. Next, double-click on Entry. On the right-hand panel, under Online Transactions, double-click on Online Multi-Company Transaction Entry. You are now on the Multi-Company Transaction Online Entry screen. Now, let's begin entering the voucher details. First, go to the Document Profile field. You can either double-click on it, or click the small button next to it. From the list, select TV Online. Then click OK. The TV number will be generated automatically by the system. In the From Department field, type the department code you're transferring from. For example, 441.00. In the To Department field, enter the destination department. For example, 442.00. In the Document Date field, enter the document date. Make sure the date is within the login year and month. Now, enter the accounting date. This can vary, but usually, it should also be within the login year and month. In the Description field, type a brief explanation for the transfer. For example, being transfer for fuel cost. The currency code and exchange rate fields will fill in automatically. Now, in the Transaction Value field, enter the amount you're transferring. For instance, 7,500 rupees. After entering the value, the LCY amount will also fill in automatically. In the Destination Department field, enter the code again, such as 442.00. Next, under Debit or Credit, select either one depending on the nature of the transfer. For cost transfers out, Debit is selected by default. The Debit Ledger account code will automatically appear, for example, 441.00 and -L9100. If applicable, the sub-account will also fill in automatically. The debit amount will be filled in to match the transaction value. To add the credit entry, click the small square button at the end of the debit amount row. A new row will appear. Enter or select the credit ledger account code, such as 441.00-E5210. Then, enter the corresponding credit amount. Once you've filled in all the required fields, take a moment to review everything carefully. Ensure that the debit and credit values match, and that all department and ledger codes are accurate. When you're ready, click on the Store Data button, or click the Save icon at the top. You should see a confirmation message saying, Store successful. That's it. Your transfer voucher online has now been successfully entered into the MITFIN General Ledger. Thank you for following this tutorial. Let's move on to the next training video tutorial. If you need additional help, please contact your system administrator or refer to the MITFIN user manual.